In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow, step-by-step instructions on how to machine wash silk. Let's start off by taking a look at the supplies we need in order to machine wash silk properly. The first thing you're going to need is a mesh laundry bag. Mesh laundry bags help to protect your silk garment while it's in the washing machine. The second thing we're going to need is silk detergent or detergent for delicates. I use Woolite delicates, but there's a variety of different options for you to choose from. And the third thing we're going to need is, of course, a washing machine. And for this demonstration, I'll be using this blue and gold mulberry silk men's long sleeve shirt. So now that we've got everything together, let's get started. Step number 1. Start by turning your silk garment inside out. Step number 2. Place your silk garment into the mesh laundry bag. Next, place your silk into the washing machine and add a few drops of silk laundry detergent or detergent for delicates. Adjust the settings on the washing machine to the cold water setting, the delicate setting, and adjust to the shortest rinse duration setting. Now you can go ahead and push start. Once the wash cycle has finished, remove your silk and hang or lay flat to dry in a cool place out of contact with direct sunlight. If you found this video useful, hit the like button or subscribe to our channel. You may also like to watch our videos on how to hand wash silk, as well as how to iron silk. Thank you for watching our video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.